You're the farmer pop ass. Listen, you waited. I know. I'll fuck you like an eagle. So you back to the service. Fucking elephant. Would you do your job here and give me an appraisal? Well, it's saying 900 to 1,000. I'll give you 200.
Love the back.
I'll go 250. I'll go 2.
Oh yes, I love this. My Impalas didn't even come with this type of care. Okay. Oh yes, I love it. I love how these look. They look like they'll be more comfortable too. Ooh, I love how big the wheels are. Oh my gosh, we're gonna do a skate comparison after this. Thank you. Thank you, Suregrip. I love it. I love my skates. Ooh, a registration card. Thank you, Leroy. Nice. I love this. Now, these should have been my first skates. These should be my first skates. Like, look at how big these wheels are. This is crazy. I'm gonna love these. The boardwalks. These are my Impalas, and this is my first pair of skates, and they're not that comfortable. They did get me started though and get me going, and I will like still use these. I love these. They're my favorite color. Like, I searched up and down and around town everywhere for some orange skates, like, and this was as close as I could get to some orange skates, you know. I still love them though, but like, the wheel comparison is insane. Like, I didn't even know. I didn't know the wheels get this big, and I wonder if this will help me be a better skater, having, like, I don't know if it would give me more support or what. I don't know. I'm new to skating still, so but yes, wow. I knew I wasn't tripping. Like, these some big wheels. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I don't even know what size these wheels are. I took a picture of them, but the writing is like gone off the side. And I might put these on the go outside right now just to like test them out to see the difference. Cause like, I roll around my neighborhood in these. I rode around a few times in my neighborhood, and wow, something cut my wheel. That's crazy. It's like, it's not a hole, but it's like somebody stabbed it with a knife or something. It's crazy. But yes, I roll around the neighborhood in these, and I've gone to the skate park in these. I've only ever been once. I need a friend to go to the skate park with me because I was so scared and I didn't know too much what to do. Even though like I watched skate park videos before I went, I still like did nothing that I learned other than bend my knees. Let's look at the toe stop difference. Too, like, I knew this toe stop was so huge, and when I was looking at these on the internet, I was like, I think I'm gonna like these, and I'll be able to like do my spins, my toe spins and all that easier. Like, I was not ready to give up my toe stops. I'm still not ready to, even though I'm talking about trying to do toe spins and like toe manuals and stuff like that. I'm not ready, but it's on the way. That's why we bought these, okay? I'm not ready. I was not ready to give up my toe stops, but I always felt like these toe stops were too close to the ground for me, for sure. And I was right. Like, this, you know, this is a big difference. So we finna lace these up and adjust them, set them up, and we gonna go test ride. I love it. These are so beautiful. Like you could see the stitching. Like, I'm just comparing the boots all around. I feel like these might fit my feet better too. I just love how they look. Like, I always felt like these made my feet look so long for no reason. I love how my tongues are even though too, cause like on these, no matter how much I wear this skate, this tongue always goes to the side. Like, it's not straight like how this one is. And I've always hated that. Like, this is the first thing I noticed when I unboxed these. Like, I always hated that. Like, the tongue was retarded on these skates. Impala skates ain't come with no instruction booklet. They should. I mean, all skates. I don't know. I guess these are like a good beginner skate. I feel like definitely not those. These are fashion skates. Like, I mean, I guess they're okay for beginners if you like not sure if you're serious about skating and you just want to learn or try something. Yeah, these are okay, but not really. Not if you trying to be how I'm trying to be skating. How I've been skating. Shout out to Zoomies for having these. I know it's a skate shop, but like, that's more so of a clothing store, even though I know they have skate accessories. Because baby, none of the local skate shops had a skate tool, but the fucking Zoomies had it. Thank you. Like, how you a skate shop and ain't got no skate tools? I do not. I don't like adjusting my skates, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. So I just stuck my foot in the shoe, and oh my gosh, I could tell a difference already. Like, these are so comfortable. It's not hard. Like, the Impalas are so hard. Like, it don't feel like you have a shoe on when you're wearing Impalas. It feel like you're wearing bricks on your feet. And these feel like I just put shoes on. Oh my gosh. love the length of these laces, because them Impala laces is long, baby. I used to be worried, and I make sure I tie them a certain way so that I don't fucking around and roll over the damn lace while I'm skating. Look at that. Wow. Oh yes. Oh, I ain't even skated yet, and I love them. All laced up. I'll do the roll. I love them. They're so comfortable. I just gotta learn how to turn better. Practice makes permanent. My laces glow in the dark. They didn't tell me that. Wow. That's crazy.